Laser powder bed fusion is a dominant additive manufacturing technology that has yet to reach its potential. The problem facing industry is that tiny bubbles or pores sometimes form during the printing process, and these pores create weak spots in finished products. When a slow-speed, high-power laser is melting metal powder during the 3D printing of a part, a keyhole-shaped cavity in the melt pool can result. Pores, i.e. defects, form at the bottom of the keyhole. New research published in Science reveals how the pores are generated and become defects trapped in solidifying metal. The real practical value of this research is that we can be precise about controlling the machines to avoid this problem, says Anthony D. Rollett, a professor of materials science and engineering in Carnegie Mellon College of Engineering and a lead co-author of the paper, Critical Instability A. Pores form during fluctuations of the keyhole, and it changes its shape. The keyhole tip morphs into a J shape and pinches off. Please support our channel to grow by pressing subscribe button as well as the bell icon for daily science updates. Thank you.